some yellow and green string beans, and I'm gonna clean them and break them in two in half. Press in, and we are cooking those shrimp green beans. So we are currently cleaning the beans at the moment. Add 2 tablespoons to the hot pan on high heat. And we're gonna put in the garlic. So we're gonna brown that in like 5 minutes. A little bit brown. I'm gonna toss in the green beans. Put in my garlic sauce. Cook and cover for about 5 minutes. After about 2 minutes, I make a quick stir. And then I put in my shrimp last. Because shrimp cooks easily. Stir that in. Put that shrimp in, and then I'm going to put in my cayenne pepper. Like 1 teaspoon. Stir. And then cover. About 3-4 minutes, medium high heat. There it is, all done. Fresh garlic shrimp beans, delicious. Try it out, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.